Hello, today we're going to learn how to make a paper towel mask, so let's get started. The first mask we're going to make is this one. So what you'll need is some paper towels, some rubber bands, and a stapler loaded with staples. So to start, we'll take one paper towel and start to fold it in an accordion fold. If you ever folded a paper fan, this is how you would fold it. If you don't know how to accordion fold, you'd fold one tab like this. Then you would flip it over and fold it again. When you're done accordion folding it, take a rubber band and put it on one side. Then fold the paper towel over, like so. After that, take your stapler and staple it down. Do the same with the other side. After that, you're done. To wear it, just spread it out like this. Put it over your mouth and hook the rubber bands around your ears. For the second mask, which looks like this, you'll need a paper towel, some elastic bands or elastic string, glue, a couple of twist ties, and a stapler. To start, take the paper towel and fold it like so. Then, pinch the area twice as large as the first tab that you folded and bring it up, and bring the tab up. Then staple repeat until you've used up all the paper towel. It should look like this. After that, you want to fold this once, this once, and put the twist ties inside the tab. You want to glue it down. Glue sticks or liquid glue work. After you've done that, you want to fold the sides over too. And put the elastic bands inside the fold, like this. And you want to glue it down. You want to do the same thing with the other side. After that, you want to let it dry. It might also help if you put a heavy object on it. When it's dried, you'll have your mask. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed.